Y'all see this crybaby over here? Well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not-so-average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sharon.
My name is Jack.
And welcome back to our channel, where you're gonna hear some not-so-average financial tips to help fix that
Broke Millionaire Mindset.
That's right, to help fix that broke millionaire mindset that most of you suffer from. So we will be back with financial tip number 7. Financial tip number 7. Never let your financial expectation exceed the amount of effort that you're willing to put in to achieving your goal.
You stepping on some toes now.
Yeah, we're going to be stepping on some toes. That's right.
Oops.
Hope you're ready. Okay, so I believe there are only 2 types of people that enter this world.
Here we go.
Those who are participants in this thing called the game of life, and those who are spectators. The ones that sit along the side, telling others how to play the game when they won't play it themselves. Those are the jaw jackers, I refer to those. Bumping their gums, but saying nothing. Nothing of value, and doing even less, while others are out there pounding the pavement, grinding, doing whatever it takes to win this game in this thing called life. So for those of you who are in the game, you are in the arena, doing whatever it takes to accomplish your goal, make sure that your financial expectations do not exceed the amount of work that you are willing to put forward to reaching your desired status in life, okay? And I say this because once you get an idea in your mind or come up with some sort of desire to enhance or increase your current state, life is going to hit you head on.
Ah!
Ooh, that sounded good. You better not mess with me. You are going to be hit with obstacle after obstacle. The larger the financial goal, the more that's going to be required, the more effort that's going to be required on your part to make your goals or dreams a reality, okay? It doesn't require much effort at all to maintain a mediocre state of being. You get that? And it requires even less or perhaps zero effort to be a failure or to fail. So what you need to do is be prepared for battle, because it's going to be battle. You're going to battle, okay? This is not easy out there. If you want big dreams, you're going to have to do big things. The bigger the goal, the harder you have to grind, okay? So be ready for that. Be ready to get out of your comfort zone, all right? That's the biggest obstacle that a lot of people who are seeking their financial dreams have a problem with. You've got to be ready. You've got to be comfortable with being uncomfortable, okay? Doing whatever it takes, all right? These videos that I'm creating were not easy for me in the beginning. I was terrified of doing those, but now I'm so proud of myself because here I am. I'm doing the videos. And guess what? I'm not worried about being uncomfortable or worried about what others may say or think about me for doing what I need to do to reach my desired results. And you have to do the same. If you are afraid to do a thing, or if you cannot overcome your fear of doing a thing, something that is positive, working toward your goal, then do that thing afraid, okay? In other words, do it anyway, and it'll get easier, okay? And that's it for today, guys. I'm sorry, Jack, I didn't let you talk much today.
Man, please.
The message was important, and I just got caught up.
I ain't trying to hear that.
All right.
They like me better than you anyway.
Oh, okay. Well, if that's how you feel about it, you do the show. Okay? Let's see if you can handle it. Give me my music. Donkey.
A donkey? Really? Did y'all hit subscribe yet? Damn.